Hi everyone. In this video we are going to discuss DALL-E 3, which is the latest released by OpenAI. Actually it's more detailed and advanced model as compared to DALL-E 2, and right now it is available for ChatGPT Plus user and enterprise users only. You have to purchase ChatGPT Plus subscription in order to use DALL-E 3. Once you have the subscription, just click this GPT-4 and here you can see DALL-E 3. If I click this, now I'm using DALL-E 3. So, which means if I give some sort of instruction to ChatGPT, it should use DALL-E 3 to generate image for me. So now look at this. Amazing mushroom and so on. So as you can see, I'm just giving a very simple instruction that says amazing mushroom under sky and so on. So previously when DALL-E 2 it was not integrated with ChatGPT, you had to be very careful when giving instruction. I mean you had to be creative. But here since DALL-E 3 is connected to GPT itself, so you just have to give instruction. ChatGPT will generate appropriate prompt and set that prompt to DALL-E 3 to generate cool images. Oh my god, look at this. Look at the details. You see how beautiful it is? So let's compare this with DALL-E 2 and see what will happen. So here I am in DALL-E 2 version. If I paste the same prompt and click generate, let's see what sort of images it is going to generate. You will clearly see the difference. Look at this. So this is what is generated by DALL-E 2. Look at these images. On the left side, you see DALL-E 3 output, and on the right, you are looking at DALL-E 2. So it's not that DALL-E 2 is bad at generating image, but because here on the left side, ChatGPT is used to derive instructions that will work better for the model. So if I click this image, you can see this is the prompt that was generated by the ChatGPT. And if I copy this and give this same prompt to DALL-E 2 and see what will happen. So as you can see on the right side, I see the prompt of the image. This was the prompt used for DALL-E 3 and this prompt was generated by ChatGPT itself. If I use the same prompt with DALL-E 2 and let's see what results do we get. You see we are using the same instructions. I mean the same prompt, photo of breathtaking, tall mushroom standing alone. But still the results are not good enough. Let's try DALL-E 3 further and say if anger had a face. So I'm trying to visualize how anger might look like and let's see what DALL-E comes with. So it's not just generating images for you. Actually, you can have a friendly conversation with the ChatGPT itself and it will understand your concerns and try to generate visuals for you. What is this? That's nice. So let's try it once more. Cute cat running from monster. So I'm not taking care of my words choice because I know ChatGPT will take care of it. Well, so cute. So you see, with just few words, I'm getting very nice looking images and so on. And of course, I can further improve these generated images by having some detailed conversation with ChatGPT so that ChatGPT can generate a more detailed prompt to generate the images. So that's it, guys. If you have any queries or you want to share your thoughts, feel free to do that in the comment section below. And make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.